Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about creating base module structure in Terraform. Okay, so let's understand the base structure first. So we are going to have one module folder. Okay, under the module folder we are going to have subfolder. Okay, containing name of each module that are available like EC2, IAM, VPC and security group. Okay, so we are going to have one module folder, and inside the module folder we are going to have subfolder with the resource configuration like EC2, IAM, VPC and security group. Okay, so what is inside the subfolder? Each module subfolder contain the actual module Terraform code that other project can reference from. Okay, so suppose in the module folder inside the EC2 subfolder we are going to have this kind of configuration that will create and provision the EC2 instance. Okay, so after that we are going to call the module. Each team can call various set of module that are available in the module folder based on their requirements. Okay, so suppose we are having here EC2, IAM, VPC and security group module inside the module folder. Okay, so and team 1 need to create EC2, so they can call EC2 module and they can provision the EC2 instance. Okay, so in the similar way team 2 can provision VPC, team 3 can provision security group. According to the requirement they can call the module and they can provision the resource. Okay, and they can call the multiple module as per their requirement. Okay, so we are going to cover in the practical. So our practical structure will be include two main folder, module and teams. Okay, so inside the module folder we are going to have configuration file to create the resources like EC2 and security group, and inside the team folder we are going to have two subfolder. Okay, that will be team A and team B. Okay, module subfolder will contain subfolder of the module that are available, and team subfolder will contain list of the team that we want to this module to be available. Okay, so let's go ahead and create the folder here. So I will create first modules folder. Inside the module folder I will create another folder that will be EC2, and another folder I will create with the name of security group SG. Okay, and let's go back to the teams. Okay, so we will create another folder with the name of teams, and inside this teams folder we are going to create two subfolder with the name of team A, and we are going to create another folder subfolder team B. Okay, and let's go to the VS Code now. VS Code. Okay, so it's getting open. So here we are in the team A and team B. So let me open the another window here. Click on open folder, and I am going to open the modules folder. Okay, so expand it. So inside the EC2 we are going to have main.tf file. Okay, and here we are going to provide the configuration that will create the EC2 instance. Okay, so and the reason that I am going to use US-east-1. Okay, and then after that I am going to create one EC2 instance. So resource AWS underscore instance. Okay, and I am going to call it name, local name as Bev. Okay, so I am going to define the AMI and I am going to define the instance type, that will be T2 dot micro, and I am going to grab the AMI from here. So what are the AMI available here? There are no AMI, it's saying AMI available. Let me refresh it. Okay, so we don't have any custom AMI. So let's click on create instance. There we can get the option. Okay, so yeah, here we are getting the AMI. So I am going to use this AMI ID. Let's paste it here and save it. Okay, so we have now the configuration and we have already created the folder structure here. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, any confusion regarding this video, then do let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. See you in the next video.